Hi guys, welcome back to Gifted Shucks. Today I will show you some tricks on how to find out which fraction is bigger and which is smaller. But before that, we will just try to learn what fractions actually mean. Fractions are just a part of a whole. For example, if you have a pizza and you make two equal parts of it, one for you and the other for your friend, as you can see here. So you would be eating a part of the whole, not full, right? That means you ate one half of the pizza, that is 1 by 2, or one piece out of 2. In other ways, if you make 4 pieces as shown here and eat 2 pieces, you again had one half of the whole pizza. So basically, a part of the whole means a fraction. A fraction is mainly made up of two parts, a numerator and a denominator. As you can see, a numerator and a denominator. Now what? How will you remember which number is called the numerator and which number is called the denominator? So I can actually say this way, D for denominator and D for down, right? So if the number is down, that is denominator. The number that is down is denominator and the other number is obviously the numerator, okay? Then there are three types of fractions. They are proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fraction. Now, if the numerator is small and the denominator is big, then this fraction is a proper fraction. Okay? Now, in a proper fraction, as you can see, this numerator is small, this denominator is big. It means this is less than 1. Okay? It is less than 1. But if the numerator is big and the denominator is small, as you see here, the numerator is big and the denominator is small, so this becomes more than 1. Okay? So now if it is more than 1, it is an improper fraction. Okay? So now we will be learning to find out which fraction is bigger and which is smaller of proper fractions first. First, we will try to cover up the proper fractions. That is, where the numerator is smaller and the denominator is bigger. So we'll take up the proper fractions first and then we'll take up the improper fractions. Now in proper fractions, we'll take up those numbers, those fractions which have same denominators. First, we'll try to cover up this, okay? We are taking proper fractions, and in proper fractions, we are taking those fractions which have same denominators, okay? As you can see here, the denominators are same. Here the denominator is same, denominator same, denominator same, okay? So now we'll try to find out which fraction is bigger. So if the denominators are same, what you have to check out is which numerator is smaller and which is bigger. The smaller numerator is a smaller fraction, the bigger numerator is a bigger fraction. So here you can see 1 is smaller than 2. So now you can say 2 is a bigger fraction, so it goes this way. Okay, now how will you put the sign? How will you know which sign I have to put? Okay, so now there are two persons. One is big and one is small. Now what you do is you give one dot to the smaller one and you give two dots to the bigger one. And now when you join them, you get this sign. Okay? If this side was smaller and this side was the bigger one, you give one dot to smaller one and two dots to the bigger one. And when you join this, you get this sign. So basically what you see is the bigger one gets two dots, the bigger one gets two dots, the smaller one gets one dot, and the smaller one gets one dot. So here, this fraction is bigger, so you have two dots here and you join them, okay? Now in this case, the denominators are same, the denominators are same. So now you go to the numerator, and when you go to the numerator, what you see? This is small and this is big. So you start with the big and you go like this. Okay? In the same way here, the denominators are same. Go for the numerator. This 6 is bigger, so you do like this. In this case, the denominators are same. Now 3 is bigger than 2, so your sign goes this way. I hope you understood this. We'll take a different example now. Now this was the case of same denominators, okay? Now we shall go to case of same numerators, okay? Okay, now here in same numerators, what we will do is, in same numerators, we will do it the reverse. In same denominators, what did we do? In same denominators, if the numerator was bigger, the fraction is bigger. If the numerator is smaller, the fraction is smaller. But in this case, in the case of same numerators, it goes reverse. It goes reverse. How? Now you're having same numerators here, right? You're having same numerators here. So what you will do is, you'll check for the denominator. You will check for the denominator. And as I said, you will go reverse in this. So when you go reverse in this, what will you do is, this 2 is smaller, so this becomes bigger. Okay? Now here, you have same numerators. Now 4 is bigger, so this is smaller. 3 is smaller, so this is bigger. As I said, this goes reverse, the opposite. Now here again, you have same numerators. Denominators are different. So here again, this is greater, and in this case too, the smaller one is this side and this is greater. Okay, let's take a different kind of example now, where you have different numerators and different denominators. Okay, now as you can see here, none of the numerators are same and none of the denominators are same. They're all very different. Okay, what we will do here is, we will cross multiply. 2 5s are 10. 3 times 3 is 9. Now which one is bigger? 10 is bigger. So you have this sign here. Okay. Now in this case, 4 times 7 is 28. And 3 times 9 is 27. Which one is bigger? 28. So you have this sign here. Now in this case, 6 times 9 is 54. 4 times 8 is 32. Which is bigger? This one. 5 times 8 is 40. 7 times 6 is 42. So which one is bigger? This one. So you have this sign here. Okay? I hope now you are clear with the concept of finding the smaller and the bigger fractions. So you can do it immediately now on seeing it. And if you like it, do give it a like, share and subscribe it. Press the bell icon for notifications. And do comment how you like it. Okay? Bye. See you in my next video.